Okay guys, so if you watch the video where I put the new gauge overlay in, you'll know that the RPM gauge, when it's not powered, it hangs way down. That was kind of bothering me. So I actually went and looked at this, and the little pin, it's a little pin in there, and it just goes through that hole right here. And you just squeeze the end of it and it'll come right out. Now this doesn't have a spot for it, but what I'm going to do is drill a hole. So I got the drill bit ready, and what we'll do is we'll put them like this, match them right up, and I should be able to drill that little hole, and that should I should be able to put that pin in there. Now the reason I'm doing a separate video is because I had the video where I did this, I had the video all edited and uploaded, and my computer's not real fast and my internet's not real fast, so I didn't want to redo the whole video, so I'm just putting up a second video here, just a quick one to show how to fix this. Okay, so I got everything lined up, and there's the hole right there. It shouldn't do any damage, I wouldn't think. Let's go really slow. Okay, we're through. No, looks good. So we'll try putting that pin in there. I should have figured this out the first time, but I ain't the sharpest tool, I don't think, sometimes. Anyway, this will... one thing, this here was meant to be used with the Firebird bezel, which has one of these pins built right in, because it's got a framework that goes around each gauge, but the Camaro doesn't have that. So anyway, here's the little pin. We'll try to... there, and it's all in. So now, that RPM gauge won't hang way down. Now, but I did do one thing wrong. I didn't wear a pair of gloves, so I'm going to have to clean this off because I'm sure there's fingerprints on there. But anyway, I'll get it all back together and then I'll show you. Anyway guys, so we got it all back together. It was pretty fast to put it back together that time. Now that little hole that I drilled was a 3/32 hole, and like I said, and as you've seen, you just put the new overlay on the... put the old overlay on top of the new one, and then you can drill the hole right where it needs to be. We'll turn it on, and yeah, and I think I got the needles even more accurate this time, so that's a good thing. I'll turn the key on. So anyway guys, it'd been better if this would have been in the original video, but I just didn't want to do it all over again. Like I say, my computer's not the fastest and my internet's not the fastest, so I didn't want to have to re-edit and then re-upload. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys out, and sorry about making a mistake in the first video, but at least we got it figured out now. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.